Insects on the farm can either be harmful when they damage crops or helpful when they pollinate crops and control pests by preying on them. Helpful insects can broadly be categorized as pollinators, predators, and parasitoids. These types of insects in particular are beneficial because they can play a role in increasing crop growth, raising yields, and contributing to the overall health of farms on agroecosystems. Many techniques can be used to monitor insects. We'll highlight a few, but check out our infographic for more information. Simple and common techniques used to monitor insects include pitfall traps. Pitfall traps are small cups with a cover, sometimes filled with a small amount of liquid, and are dug into the ground, level with the ground surface. Pitfall traps are used to monitor ground-dwelling insects such as ground beetles and spiders. Sweep netting. Netting is used to capture flying insects such as pollinators, which include bees, hoverflies, and butterflies. A net is usually swept at a plant to capture any pollinator or insect present, or if you are more skilled, it can be used to catch a flying insect on the wing. Beating trays. A concave sheet or tray is placed under a plant before gently shaking the plant to dislodge insects onto the tray. This technique is used to determine what pests and predators are present. Sticky traps. A colored sticky card, usually yellow or blue, is used to attract and trap an insect of interest. These cards are commonly used to monitor pests. Pheromone traps. Pheromones are chemicals that insects naturally use to communicate with each other. Pheromone traps use these substances to attract and monitor specific insect pests. And lastly, visual inspections. Plants can also be visually inspected for the presence of helpful or harmful insects. Often, visual surveys are completed to capture pollinator diversity or look for damage caused by specific pests. To visually survey a field for insect pests, walk a large W or X in the field, spending time at 5 widely spaced points to examine 10 plants or a 3 by 3 meter area for insects. Make sure to inspect plant leaves, stems, and fruits for the presence of insects or any insect damage. Different pests can be identified using field guides or increasingly smartphone apps.